Hey guys, Silly here, and today I will be doing a skit called What It's Like to Be a Girl and including What It's Like to Be a Boy. So let's get started. Oh, what a nice day. I'm gonna go trading in Jama. Empty as usual. Well, I'm just gonna sit here on the bridge. Who's that? Ooh, polar bears. That's a pretty cool fact. Okay, that's the moose. Whoa, I'm gonna go talk to him. Oh my god, there's a girl. I'm pretty sure I knew what's gonna happen. Oh, wait, will you be my guy? Another thing about being a girl is that you depend on what your look is gonna be. Like, if nothing matches, then you're gonna get upset. Just straight up upset. OMG. My necklace. It doesn't match. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. My look is terrible. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to change my look. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, nothing goes good. Oh my gosh. My life is ruined. I can't look like this. My poodle, he has better look than me. But, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Red on yellow? That does not make any sense! Another thing about girls is that they want fair trading. Because if they don't get fair trading, oh my. Honey, you got a storm coming. Now you might say that, everyone wants fair trades, but when it comes to trauma queen girls, these specific girls, they want the fairest trade ever, even if it's a bad item. OMG, trade me fair. Trade me fair. What's OMG? That is not a fair trade. Decline. I said fair. Oh my gosh. I said fair. But that's a Starbot item. Who cares? It still needs to be fair, you little brat. The last thing for the girls is that they are not kidding. I am serious. They are not kidding about how their pets look. Seriously, my friend of mine, she would free her pets if they don't match their look. Here, let me show you an example. Time to make a pet look. This poodle is getting old. Let's do puppy. Let's see what you need. What? None of this matches. Oh my gosh. The banjo matches. No, it looks sad. Oh my gosh. No. This can't be happening. Oh my gosh. No. This is not matching. What's this? Everything needs to be brown and white for this one. Oh, this one looks good. Is that this one? Oh my gosh, none of this matches. You know what? Let's see. Yeah, no. I'm deleting you, puppy. And I am deleting you, shady cheetah. Oh my gosh, I don't like my pets anymore. None of them matches. Well, time to get a new one. Now, time for the boys. Some things might be similar, but you know. I'm not kidding. There might be fair trades. Yes, this is fair trade, but boys take it to another level. Okay, just let me show you. Well, I can't believe I'm doing this, but let me show you what the boys would do. Unwanted on trade. Be fair. Come on, guys. I don't want any of this stuff. What's it on trade? Be fair. Come on. What's it on trade? Come on. Be fair. Oh my gosh. I said be fair. You know what? I'm going to another area. I can't stand this. Well, looks like I only have one reason. You know what? I'm not good at the boys, but I'm good at the girls, okay? Because I am a girl. So, yeah. There's a little skit. There is only one reason to be a boy. If you want reasons, boys and stuff, just leave a comment down below. Bye! And remember to like, comment, subject, and stuff like that. Because one minute to say subscribe! Anyways, well, yeah, thanks for watching.